Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Telegram online status. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what it is tells you if someone was active recently or some time ago. And if you can see it, others can see it for you as well. So if you just want to disable it, you have to go to the settings on the bottom right. Then you want to click on privacy and security. And basically you see this last seen and online. You have to tap on that, and then you have everybody, my contacts, or nobody. So if you set it to everybody, everybody will see your last seen. If you set it to my contacts, only people in your contacts in your Telegram will be able to see your last seen, and nobody, it means nobody won't be able to see your last seen. And unless you're a premium user, you won't last seen or online status for people with whom you don't share yours. So first, what you want to do is open up your Telegram and go to contacts at the bottom left. And now you see you have this last seen recently, last seen recently. It just means that they were recently on the app. And if you see last seen a long time ago, it means that they been on Telegram a very long time ago. Now, if they have enabled last seen online nobody, you won't be able to see what was their last seen online, unless potentially you are a premium user. So you won't see last seen or online stats for people with whom you don't share yours. So if they don't share it, you can share, and you don't share with them, you can see it even if you are a premium user, but you only share it with that person, you can see theirs and they can see yours. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.